Hey there, artists! Welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today we're going to learn how to draw an easy all step-by-step perfect for beginners or for anyone who just wants to relax and enjoy a fun drawing session. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to Easy Art for You, give this video a like, and share it with a friend who loves drawing too. It really helps the channel grow and keeps more tutorials coming your way. Did you know that owls can turn their heads up to 270 degrees? That's almost all the way around. No wonder they look so wise and mysterious. They're one of the most fascinating animals to draw. Here's a question for you. What's your favorite animal to draw and why? Leave your answer in the comments. I love reading your ideas, and who knows, your suggestion might be featured in a future video. Drawing tip of the day. If you're using markers, always start with the lightest colors and build up to the darker ones. This helps you avoid muddy blending and gives your drawing better contrast and depth. Now grab your drawing supplies and let's get started. work today. Your all turned out great. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Easy Art for You, and share it with a friend who loves to draw. Let me know in the comments how your drawing went, or if there's something you'd like to see in a future video. And if you're ready for more fun and easy drawing ideas, check out the other videos on the channel. There's always something new to explore. Thanks for drawing with me. See you next time on Easy Art for You.